Welcome. Yesterday I could not upload the class because I was using wireless mic. I recorded the class, but later I found that it was not switched on. So today I am more careful. So I talked for half an hour last time. I spent around more than one and a half hour, but wasted. Then I decided next day. Exercise question 91 and 92. Two special type of questions. See, both the questions find axial forces in all members by method of joint. So once again back to same track. Method of joint, then verification. Then verify the results for members. See, AD, I'll take here only. It's a basic. AD, CD, and BC. See, this member. For question number 91. You should write that way. You write question 91. Write find axial forces in all members. Then verify for these three members by method of section. When you write question 92, you are right. Find axial forces in all members by method of joint. And then verify results for, see, BD, this side now, see, BD, CD, and other one is AC, see, here, these three members. Remember, exercise question. I will not waste much time. You should, see, first of all, I should not give anything. Anyway, see here. Take vertical reaction VB. Take vertical reaction VA. Take space is, I think it is visible here. Take horizontal reaction HA. First find reaction. 1 minute. See here, heights are given. Angle not given. Next question, angle given. Heights are not given. These are all already over earlier. Okay, now take moment about A. See, this is 6 meter, understood. These two are 3 meters. Minus VB into 6. See, one more thing. See, 20, 30 symmetrical. But 115 kN horizontal force is there. Therefore, symmetry is lost. No symmetry here. So, minus VB into 6 plus 20 into 3 plus 30 into 3 minus 15 into 7 equal to 0. VB will come plus 7.5. That's why I considered up 7.5. Direction assumed is correct. Okay, then sigma V0, sigma H0, you can do yourself only. Okay. Reaction is over. Now, calculation of axial forces in all members by method of joints. For that, you require angle for this member and this member. Both are equal. And angle for this member. See here. First, you consider member AD, A to D. See here. D here and A here. Light line. Okay. See, height is 7 meter. 7 meter. This base is 3 meter. See, angle for AD from horizontal is theta 1 I took. I took this angle theta 1. So, calculate. Tan theta 1 equal to 7 divided by 3. You will get theta 1, 66.801 degrees. Then, consider A once again. C point here. See. This height is total 7. This is 3.2. So this is 3.8 meter. This is 3 meter. This angle is theta 2. Tan theta 2 equal to 3.8 by 3. It is 51.71 degrees. Here, when you go for method of joint, this is star sketch. I told star sketch. What is star sketch? People who are regular and who follow all my classes, they know it. Others all, I am not bothered. Okay, now, usually in the star sketch, I should have marked this angle, but here space problem is there. If I write all this angle here, no place to write member forces. So what I will do? Axial forces. So, see, for this member with horizontal theta 1, for this member with horizontal theta 2. Okay, now, solve by method of joint. As usual, method of joint I am solving. See, this question I will solve in front of you. Purpose I told, not to show my capacity. Of course, I am solving without writing anything, not to show my capacity. But I told to give you inspiration by studying and understanding and getting complete knowledge. One fine day, who knows, you may also reach this level. Okay. Now, see here. Already, I'll start with three unknowns are there. You can't do anything. Again, three unknowns. Leave it. A, two unknowns. B, two unknowns. So you select from A or B. What happens here is, see, what happens here is, both are inclined. So direct answer will not come. Sigma V0, sigma H0, in both of them, both will come. So simultaneous equation will come. Nothing can be done. Same thing at B also. That is for you. But what I will do is, you see, I will first resolve, see, normal to this member. I will get this force. Or I will resolve normal to this member. I will get that force. Then I get the other force very easily, either by horizontal equilibrium or vertical equilibrium. But I will advise you, you do not try such adventures. Danger. See, trying, you should practice. See, when you want to resolve normal to this member, correct, you should see the angle, etc. So that is little dangerous. I will ask you, or I advise you not to go for it. Okay, I will do it now. These are normal here. Direction, I decided based on my knowledge. $55.93 kilonewton. 55.93 kilonewton. Okay. Then this member force, guaranteed like this. Correct. $11.349. Never try these things. It is called dangerous. Okay, over. Now, I will come to joint C. I will not calculate. Symmetry or unsymmetry, there is one thing guaranteed. In absence of horizontal forces, these two are equal. So, 11.349 kilonewton. Oh, I need not write kilonewton. Then vertical, 11.349 into sine of 51.71 into 2 plus another 30. 47.815. 47.815 kilonewton. Okay. I will come to this joint. 11.349 into cos of, where is the angle? 51.71 divided by cos of 66.801. 17.852. 17.852 kilonewton. Okay. Over. I'll check for vertical equilibrium. 11.349 into sine of, question is over now. See, question over, but I'm checking now. Sine of how much it is? 51.71. That is upward component. Another 7.5 divided by sine of 66.801. 17.852. Okay, perfect. I'll check equilibrium here. 55.93 minus 17.852 into cos of 66.801, 14.99, oh, 15, correct. Vertical equilibrium, 55.93, then plus 17.852 into sine of 66.801, that is actually 67. I subtract 47, 47.815, up 20, down 20, perfectly correct, over. See, these are all question of confidence. Okay, now enter the answer. Now, second part. To verify the results for members, see here, I told AD, DC and DC, you're actually in between these two, there is one sketch for finding support reactions. In that sketch, you show a section. I will show here, see, this way, and then this way, take section. See here, see, this way. Okay, now, 1520. B, that reaction. Now, this question is not independent question for method of section. If it is independent question, I will tell, take all the unknowns going outwards because confusion. But you should take the, since it is a verification, what answer you got, take same thing. See, to the joint D, you know answer is like this. Take that way. P for DA. From the joint D, this force is this way. So take that way. PDC. And P, this one, PBC at B, see, the force is like this. You know it. Then somebody will ask me, sir, you took the direction before you solved. Yes. So what? How you know it? How I know it? Don't bother. I will just look here and decide. This way. This way. Higher value, lesser value. This way. Over. Yes. I can make out. I can decide direction not only for concurrent. I can decide for coplanar also. So, you never bother. Okay, start. Everything is over. See, for this member angle is theta 1. This one. For this member angle is theta 2. Now, 3 unknowns are there. These are all told 1 minute. Before that one, consider section XX cutting above 3 members. Consider equilibrium to see. When you cut this way, look right side. Okay, right side. Already told. Okay, then. First, these are all told. I won't write now. 3 unknowns are there. Among the 3 unknowns, 2 unknowns are meeting here. Take moment about D. At that time, D is 2 into 0. See, this PDC is looking very far off. Come here. Come nearby. Okay, thank you. See, this into 0, this into 0, this into 0, this into 0. PBC into perpendicular. You can get the perpendicular. You have to extend this line, drop perpendicular, then this angle you require. It will be difficult for so many people. I told in such cases what you do is, for PBC, you decide one point, it passes through B. Where it passes, you resolve into component. See, one horizontal component left side, vertical component, a pencil mark. This is cos, this is sine. You write that way. So that no confusion. Now take moment. See, this component, PBC cos theta 2, when I wrote there, I wrote the value of theta 2. See here, 51.71. So, PBC cos theta 2, this force into 7 clockwise. Whereas, PBC sin theta 2 into, from here, see, moment about this point, this vertical force into this distance 3, that is anti-clockwise. Then, minus 7.5 into 3 equal to 0, you get the value of PBC. See, I got this answer before I solved by method of joint. You might have seen method of joint I solved in front of you, but I got it by sections. Okay, then sigma V0 upward positive plus, see now you go know the value of PBC, tick mark, plus PDA sin theta 1. I wrote theta 1 there, minus PDC plus PBC sin theta 2 plus 7.5 minus 20 equal to 0. See, PBC is known. Okay. But still two unknowns are there. Equation number 1. Sigma H equal to 0. Right side positive. Plus PDA cos theta 1 entered there. This is not there. Minus BBC cos theta 2 minus 15 equal to 0. You know the value of PBC. Substituting PBC, you get PDA. Okay, answer. You get the value of PDA. Once you get PDA, see, now PDA also known. See here, PD also known. Substitute those two values in equation number 1, get the value of PDC. Lastly, one statement. Right. Remember which one we are asked to check. The direction we considered in the same way as we got by method of joint. All of them came positive. Means direction wise everything is correct. But the most important is magnitude. See, 11.347 BC, 11.349. Point not to error because so many approximations are there here. Okay, then that's okay. 55.927, 55.930, 927 to 930 means 0.003 difference. 47.811, 47.815, 0.004. That is approximation. It always happens. So, right here, 100% results are correct, verified. So, yes, over. Now, I will solve question number 92. This time, what I will do is, see, 1 minute, I will tell now only. See, when I start 92, see, 40, 20, 30 degree, this is 20 degree, be careful. Okay, now, horizontal force is not there. This tick mark later. Okay, horizontal force is not there. So, when you make sigma h0, your HA will come 0. So, A will have only vertical reaction, B also will have vertical reaction. So, it is perfectly symmetrical. See here, symmetrical, but 15 will spoil the symmetry. So, bad luck. Here, perfectly symmetrical. Therefore, when I start solution for 92, you should use that symmetry. I will tell it here at start. This time I will do one thing. I will write all the answer. Even this also. See, when I can do, when symmetry is not there, when I can solve a frame without using calculator and without without writing anything, using only calculator, fast in 1 minute, 1.5 minutes like that. If symmetry is not there, when I can solve, if symmetry is there, students will tell, sir, you solve further faster. Do you have any doubt? No, sir, nothing. Therefore, I do not want to waste time. When I come back here for 92, I will make this question ready. I don't want to solve in front of you. Bigger one I solved. Easier one, surely you know I can solve. Okay, 1 minute. Now, start exercise question 92. Okay. Remember, first you write there. Perfect symmetry is there. Therefore, no need of finding support reactions by sigma m0, sigma v0. Nothing required. Moment is not required. Directly, right, due to symmetry, vertical reaction. Why symmetry? I already told you. Some will tell, sir, one hinge, one roller. Symmetry is not there. Hinge, why? Sir, roller only vertical reaction. Hinge horizontal reaction. Are you going to provide the reaction? There is no horizontal reaction. I told the reason. Oh, yes, sir. Now see. So, due to perfect symmetry, vertical reaction at A, upward, vertical reaction at B equal to vertical reaction at B upward equal to total downward load 40 plus 20 divided by 2, each 30-30, horizontal is not there. Okay, now see, last time heights here, heights are given. We found angle. This time angle given. See, some problem here. Something more. Okay, okay. It happens sometimes, something more. Not afraid, but night, early morning now. See, for this member and this member, it is 30 degrees. See, these are 30 degrees. I don't know what is moving there. 30 degrees. For this member, see, this is 30. We want with horizontal. They told 30 and 20. So, this member angle is 50. This also 50 degrees. Be careful. Okay, now, heights are not given. Now, do you require height? I don't know. When you require, you will calculate. Okay, start. Start from joint A. I got the answer. See, here no place to write. I wrote, see, this is 75.963. If I write here no place, this is 56.382. After A, I will go to C. No, not C. Okay, I will go to C. If I go to C, I will get the answer here. See, I get the answer here. Where's the pen? Red color pen. I will write the answer here. 56.382 and 76.382 over. That's all. Stop. By symmetry, force in this member. Oh, actually, symmetry is only one member symmetry. Okay, don't waste your time. Symmetrical. So, whatever you got here, enter the same answer here or calculate 75.963 kilonewton. Direct enter. See, directly enter because of symmetry. Okay, forces are over. Axial force are over. Now, to verify the results for member, last time see these three. Now change. See this and this. Now this and this for a change. So this time cut like this. See, cut like this. So 40. Then see, for this member angle is 30 degrees, and for this member which you are cutting 50 degrees. This is, and since see you are cutting how here, this force, see, you know the answer. It is like this. Consider P for DC, dB. This force you know it. Consider same way. This force you know it. Okay. Now take moment about the point where, see, this distance is 2.5 meter. Don't worry about this one. Among the three unknowns, two unknowns are meeting at D. So take moment about D. Now this P, see, this into 0, this into 0, this into 0. PO, inclined force, you need perpendicular. Oh, no. Difficulty. Not difficulty, but better not try it. So, this PAC is passing through A. What you do here? For this force, one component, horizontal component, cos, vertical component, sine, you mark here, with respect to 30-degree angle. So, take moment. Minus PAC cos 30 into, this height required. This height required. So, I will write this as total height H. See, H. Now, to get the height, I should not tell. So, you write minus PAC into H. Okay, don't think. You write H only. Into H. Now, you require H value. Okay, 1 minute. Then, see, plus, this is anti-clockwise. PAC sine 30 into 2.5. Then, plus 30 into 2.5 equal to 0. You will get PAC if you get H value. So what you do is, to get H value, see here, A is here, C is here. See, this is 2.5 meter. This is your height H. See, from A level, this is height H. For AC, angle is 50 degrees. Therefore, what you do? tan 50 equal to h divided by 2.5. 2.5. So you will get the value of h. How much? 2.9794 meter height, full height. So therefore, substitute h equal to 2.9794. 2.9794. Remember, calculated answer. You get the PAC. Okay, now sigma V, sigma H all, I need not explain. Already explained. You do it. All positive came. Lastly, for statement required. Statement. Yes, all positive values. See, PAC 56.381. Yes, 56.382. PDC 76.381. Yes, 76.382. PAC, which one is it? PDB 75.962. 75.963. Tally. Now make a note. For some reason, by chance, see, if you require this height, see that is h, say h dash, then what you do? If you require that one, see here, you take a triangle here. See? Now, this is h dash, this is 2.5, this is 30 degrees. Tan 30 equal to h dash divided by 2.5. So if you want full height, you can calculate by this triangle. This much height if you want, find by this triangle. Now, question 91, question 92, both are over. Now, before winding up, I want to tell one small, I will give one extra question. I will tell you later why I am giving it. Actually, that question cannot be considered. Reason is there, but still I will give the question and explain for you to understand. Exercise question 93. I will write and start. See, my purpose of giving this question is surely not to insult or make fun of someone. Okay. I'll give the question here. See, same type of question. I remember because reason I will tell you later. A, B, same. B, C, D. Okay. Just one load, that's all. 60 kilonewton. Here one load, 40 kilonewton. Angle I will give here to save the time. This is 40 degrees. This extra angle is little more 15 degrees. Okay, so for this member, if you want angle, 55 degrees. Length, some length, any length, 7 meter. Okay. Symmetry is there. Or okay, one horizontal force. Okay, that will be horizontal force. Right side of 20 kilonewton. Question is, find axial forces in all members by method of joints. That's all. No sections. Method of joints. I will tell why this question. See, last time question, one hinge, one roller. Left hinge, right roller. Or it can be right hinge, left roller. Where hinge is there, two reactions. Where roller is there, one reaction. This time, both are hinged end. Okay, I will tell because I will not mention names, etc. This was given by a person. Not now. No. I remember more than 30 years earlier. I was quite young at that time. Little experience. I don't want to tell whether he was senior to me, junior to me, nothing I won't tell. But he has a lot of regards for me. This question he gave for a test purpose. Find forces, test purpose. Okay. When I saw the question, I told him immediately. He did not give. He prepared the question. He just showed to me. See, just check the question because he has lot of regards to me. Maybe one of my student only. I don't know. Again, something moving here. Oh, some rat. I don't know how it came. Okay. I look. See. Okay. It came from there. I told no. This question I told is statically indeterminate. You cannot give for method of joint. Little argument started. Why? See, both are hinges. But he told, if both are hinges, no problem. You can start from other side. See, that feeling was there. Maybe somewhere he saw, even I also told. But remember, that you can do if no member is there connecting the two hinges. Okay, no member is there. And also, only one member connected to one of the hinges. But here, both the hinges, two members are connected. So, there will be, I told there will be a vertical reaction here, horizontal reaction here, horizontal reaction here. Four unknowns are there, only three equations. So, reactions you cannot find. Again he came, no problem. We'll start from other side. Okay, start. Where? I'll start from C. Huh? C. 1, 2, 3. Oh, C I can't start. Why? Method of joint you cannot have more than two unknown. C cannot do. D. D also same story. Then that person got extra idea. I will solve it, sir. How? I will solve by method of section. Okay, do it. How? If you take a section this way or etc., you look any side, reactions required. Then he told, no. What I will do is, I will take a section like this and look this side. Oh, very good, I told. Look this side. Then I told him, okay, if you look that side, see, I don't know forces, randomly I will mark here. Okay, this way. How many unknowns are there? Three. See, one of them is X, other is Y, other is Z. Three unknowns. Okay. But method of joint, he told method of section. Even if you take method of section, unknowingly, it is a joint only now. From coplanar force system, it reduced to concurrent force system. Now only sigma V0 and sigma H0 are applicable. Sigma M0 is not applicable. Take moment about this point, all zero. Then he realized the mistake. Then he told, okay, I will do one thing. Tell what you do. Okay, I will take moment about A. View, as you are telling, I was enjoying it here. He told, I will take moment about A. Okay, very good. Moment about A. When I take moment about A, X into 0, he told he will get in terms of Y and Z, one equation will come. Very good. Then I will take moment about D. Oh, beautiful. Sigma M about D equal to 0. Then Y into 0 will come. So, in terms of X and Z, equation 2 will come. Okay, then I will take moment about B. Very good. This is excellent. I then Z into 0 in terms of X and Y, I get equation number 3. 3 unknown T equations I can solve. Okay, I told solve. I was enjoying. Solve. Next day, told, no, not possible. I told you are going against mathematics. When only two equations are there, you are creating an extra equation. See, I told, when you take sigma m about A0 and sigma m about D0, one more point, sigma V, sigma H both are over. Sigma m is not applicable. Then he realized the mistake and told, yes, correct, you are right. I told, then how to solve? Solution is, you take maybe horizontal reaction at B as redundant. Say X. Then remove this redundant. This will become roller support. Then X equal to formula is there minus sigma pKl by AE by sigma K square L by AE. Analysis of statically indeterminate structure. Your horizontal reaction will come. Once the horizontal reaction comes here, only 3 more reactions, then you can solve. And entire frame over that comes in statically indeterminate structure. So the structure is indeterminate. You cannot solve by neither method of joint nor method of sections. Okay. Information for you. That's all. I won't mention name, nothing I'll mention. So before you commit something, you should be careful. Unnecessary imagination, I can do. Be careful. If it cannot be solved, it cannot be solved because it is statically indeterminate. How you can solve? By determinate part. Okay. Thank you. Next class we'll meet.